Alright, so I am on my way back to Montana. I just visited home and saw my family. But as you may tell by the back of here, I'm doing something. I'm going to pick up a puppy on my way back. I'm picking up a 14-week-old golden retriever. I haven't definitively decided on a name yet. I got about a 3-hour drive to get him. And then we got quite the road trip to Montana. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well. He's got to be a good rider. Because, well, we have a like 20-hour drive. I'm gonna stop every hour, let him out. We're gonna play. We're gonna do things. Gonna tire him out. And yeah, I got a bed for him. I picked up a Frisbee, a lamb chop, and a squeaky thing. I also have some of Hudson's toys as well. They're not up front yet. I bought a Chuck It because I'll need it when he's bigger, so I just bought one now. But I'm not gonna open that yet. So I got those things, and I bought harnesses. I bought a harness and 2 different collars because I don't know what size he's gonna be. The harness, I just bought a medium one. I got food dishes. Food and water dishes. I got a bag of puppy food, and I have water. So yeah, this is a little exciting. I'm gonna go pick up my puppy. So I didn't film any of the initial getting him. I picked him up from an Amish family. I named him Graham. There was like 6 other puppies there. Super excited. When I put him in the truck, he was super nervous and just, I don't know, very just nervous and looked scared. So the first hour or so, like, I drove keeping my hand on him, petting him, just trying to make him feel calm and at home. And he was just very skeptical, and he was drooling and breathing weird, and he was just it was brand new to him. He was scared. He actually threw up about a half hour in, stopped, cleaned that up, and then I rearranged everything so he could lay directly next to me with his head on my lap. Not that he was in my lap, but his head could be touching me. And that seemed to help calm him down quite a bit. Alright, it's dinner time. And he's doing so good. You're doing so good, Graham. I've named him Graham because he's a graham cracker. Yeah, was that a good dinner? Oh, he was a little unsure, but once he tasted it, just me and the boy. You're so cute. You're so cute. We're gonna feed him dinner. I'm gonna hang out here probably like a half hour or so with him. Then I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Hopefully he can poop before we leave. And then, yeah. So I'm learning we are nervous of new surfaces. He's unsure of the grass or the rocks. Huh? Oh, I think I gotta go to point 6 with you. You're so close. Come on in. Come on in. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Can you come in? Can you come in? I want you to come in. Yeah. Yeah. You definitely got to at least pee before we leave here, okay? Okay? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Graham. You're a good boy. Graham. Good boy. Good boy. No? You don't want? You don't want? Okay. I'm gonna take it off. Uh-huh.
Head east toward I-90 West.
Okay.
Head east toward I-90 West.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good boy. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
In a quarter mile,
Yeah.
merge onto I-90
Go over
West.
here. Come on, over here. Over here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here, you want a treat? You want a treat? Oh, here. Oh, you smell it? Here, look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Goodness, you're cute. Goodness, you're cute. We are exploring the rest stop some. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is that where you wanted to go? That's trash. Yeah, it's trash. We leave that alone. Yeah. Yeah, let's go explore over here some more. Little update. We've been gone for, I've picked him up, what is it? It's almost 11 o'clock of when I would have gotten him in his time zone. I've had him since 3:30ish. So let's say 4 o'clock. So I've had him 6-7 hours-ish. He finally peed. I did not think I would have this issue. I've let him out 6 or 7 times. This last time, after 6-something hours, is when he finally peed. He's such a handsome man. Oh, yeah. He's got the setup quite nice over here. Yeah, isn't that right, Graham? Yeah. All right, we are gonna. Everything's going well. He's been riding pretty well. He does like to come over and lay his head on my lap. That is all I allow. I'm not allowing him fully in my lap. I don't want to start that habit. But he can rest his head. I will let that happen. Because I love the man. Who couldn't resist that face? Good morning, Graham. We are just waking up for the day. Wow. It's 8 o'clock our time here in Wisconsin, and I'm getting up. I'm gonna let him sleep there for a minute. I'm gonna get his food ready and we'll feed him breakfast. I'll walk him around. I'll go to the bathroom, and then yeah, he's waking up finally. Oh, you're making your way to the edge to see me? Yeah. Oh. He was doing real good. He was napping pretty hard, so I ran in and peed. I left him. I trusted him. I know, a little early to be trusting, but he was good. He was napping hard. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get him out, and then we'll get you some water, and we'll get going. It's breakfast time. He's doing good. Graham. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. We are at another rest stop. Still in Minnesota. We're almost to South Dakota. Almost. He doesn't really know how to explore by himself. He just keeps coming over to me, which I like. That's a good thing. That's a good boy. Oh, let's get the eye boogie. Yeah. He excellent. Yeah. Come on up. I couldn't have asked for a better rider. We walk around every hour or so for 15, 20, 30 minutes at these rest stops. Oh, did you get a hairball or something? We walk around, have fun for 15, 20, 30 minutes. Get him what I feel like is somewhat tired. When he really just starts sitting and telling me he's tired, and then he sleeps pretty sound most of the time. Yeah, look at that tail. Look at that happy face. Should we just go walk around since you're nibbling on me? Who's nibbling on me. Yeah. We both just had a successful trip to the bathroom. Yeah. Now we're gonna be on our way again. Graham here is doing awesome. He's been great. Really has. I'm shocked how well he's ridden and how comfortable he is with it. He also has a huge bladder. This is only the second time he's peed today, and I've stopped every hour and a half, 2 hours, and we walk around. And he even pooped twice, but it didn't feel the need to pee when he pooped for the second time. But yeah. So he's finally eating, just in the nick of time. I just ran to like several different stores trying to find the food. He was fed as a puppy, or back where I got him from. It's not carried hardly anywhere. And I was in the middle of South Dakota when I figured out, or found what it was, and just made it. A few minutes to spare. Good job, bud. We have made it back to home. We've made it home. This is his first time home. Yeah. Oh. All right. We're gonna get up. I'm gonna go walk him around. Then I'm gonna go inside, go to the bathroom, and then we're gonna start unloading. He's exploring the house very skeptically. To be fair, he was in a small, probably pen the size of this kitchen with his brothers growing up for the first 14 weeks. And then he's been in the truck with me for the last 2 days. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah, you liking it? You liking it? Yeah, this is gonna be home. This is gonna be home. Yeah, he peed right before we came in, so he should be pretty good. He should be pretty good. Those are mine. This is his first snow. What do you think? You like it? Yeah. Mm-hmm.